Today, let's do something kid friendly. Of late, I have been getting many queries from lovely people like you to do some recipes for kids. So, today, let's make puff pastries. So, let's jump right in and discover how to make simple, easy, and delicious puffs for the little ones. We are going to make pizza puffs today. So, for this, let's grab your favorite ingredients like cheese, oregano powder, some salt, veggies like capsicum, corn, onion, some chili flakes, and peri peri seasoning. You can include your choice of veggies, mix it all in together. Add a pinch of salt for flavor. If your kiddos like it spicy, then definitely add in some green chili as well. Also, don't forget to add in some cheese. I generally use blended cheese which gives me taste as well as the stretch while enjoying my pizza puffs. And for the authentic pizza taste, do sprinkle in some oregano, chili flakes, and peri peri seasoning as well. Now, you know what? You don't have to stop here. In fact, involve your little ones and get as creative as possible. They will give you so many different variations of these pizza puffs that you will go mad. Try different veggies, variety of sauces, chutneys, dips, and let your imagination run wild. Mix it all up, but for the little ones, we are going to keep this very mild. Next, it is time to work with our trusty ready-made pastry sheets. Remember, these babies are frozen, okay? So we have to handle them with care. Now what I'm doing is, after unrolling them, I'm cutting them into rectangle, just like this. And again, I'm cutting it into small pieces, two parts of equal sizes each. I will share with all of you how I'm going to use it for my pizza puffs. Now, whether it is for kiddie party or just a lazy evening snack, these treats are sure to please even the pickiest of eaters. So next, what we are going to do is we are going to spread that delicious pizza mixture onto one half of the pastry sheet. But before that, don't forget to apply a lot of butter on individual sheets. Make sure it's nice and even, just like so. Then take the mixture, pizza mixture that we have taken, and place it a spoonful of mixture on each of the pastry sheet. After this is done, place another pastry sheet on top and we have to seal the edges using a fork. You can also use water to seal the edges, but do ensure that the ends are sealed very well. Else the mixture will start coming out during baking itself and you will not have a perfect pizza puff pastry. After this, we will place these puffs onto the silicone mat for baking. You can use parchment paper as well. Do not forget to involve your kids in this fun activity. It will surely be a really cool way of bonding with your child over their favorite snack. After the edges are sealed very well and you are ready with your pastries, place them on the silicone baking mat and, and bake them in preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for just about 30 to 40 minutes. And around 30 minutes, keep an eye on these babies because they might burn as well, right? But in just 30 to 40 minutes they will be ready. They will puff up very well and they will get beautiful color as well. Plus, the aroma in your kitchen will tell you that these puffs are absolutely ready. Let me know in the comment box what kind of veggies are you going to try, what kind of filling you are going to use for this particular pizza puffs. I can definitely tell you, you can go ahead with different types of, you can put Nutella, you can put fruit salsa. There are so many variations, but let me know yours. What are you going to use? After baking them, you know what? I can already smell that delicious aroma. They have got perfect golden brown color as well, and let me show you the texture. These puffs are going to be crispy on the outside and oh so soft on the inside. Perfect for our little munchkins. And there you have it, folks. Perfect pizza puffs for the kiddos. I hope you have loved this simple and easy recipe. Let me know in the comment box below if you would love to see me doing more kid-friendly recipes by typing kids in the comment box. And if you would like me to try any other kind of recipes, do share your thoughts in the comments below. I'm going to read each and every comment and see how I can be helpful for lovely people like you who keep watching my content till the end. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more kid friendly puff pastry recipes. And do hit that bell icon so you never miss out on my delicious baking recipes, which are simple to execute. Thanks for tuning in and happy cooking.